In this video, you will learn how to make dynamic table using VLOOKUP function. You will also learn how to make a drop-down list, how to sort values, and how to use F function. First, let's understand the data. Dates plus recover plus active equals all cases in a certain countries. Let's create a drop-down list. The cell H1 will be shaded in color. Click Data, then Data Validation. Under Allow box, choose List. Under Source box, refer it to the cells B1 to E1, which are the types of cases, then OK. Now you have the drop-down list. We will create the table. Copy the names of countries. You can sort the names alphabetically by highlighting the cells, go to Data, then Sort. Our range will be arranged by column country, then click OK. Now countries were alphabetically arranged. For second column, make a reference to cell H1. Now the column name will automatically changes based on selected item in drop-down list. Now let's use VLOOKUP formula. Write equals VLOOKUP, then open parentheses. The first requirement is the lookup value, which is the name of the country. The second requirement is lookup array, which is our source data. Fix the reference by pressing F4 in keyboard. The third requirement is column index number, which is the selected item in each one. And fourth requirement is the type of match. Our formula is not correct because column index number does not accept text or word. It should be a number like 2 for all cases, 3 for dates. We will convert word into a number by using Excel F function. Press F2 to edit the formula. Delete H1, write F, then parentheses. For the first requirement, which is the logical test, make an absolute reference to each one. Then equals all cases in quotation, then comma. For the second requirement, which is the value if true, type 2 in quotation. This means that if the value in H1 is all cases, then the table will get its value from second column of source data. For the third requirement, which is the value of false, we type 3 in quotation for the third column of the source data, then parentheses. However, there are more than 2 columns that we need. There are 4 types of cases, so this is not the end of the formula. We will use again the F formula. Replace 3 with F formula. This formula means that if type of case is all cases, get values from second column of source data. If type of case is dates, then third column. If recovered, then fourth column. Otherwise, the data from fifth column. Be sure to have 3 close parentheses. Copy the formula. Indicate the sum of the numbers to check accuracy of the formula. It looks okay. If we change the item in the drop-down list, number will also change. So this is now our dynamic table using VLOOKUP function. Good luck in your presentation in school or in office meeting. Like and share this video.